Hello, friends. Enterprises feel pride about acquiring the licenses of very popular products. Whether they use it or not, that's a different thing. Whether they will implement it or not, that's a different thing. But they always feel pride about having those solutions within their landscape or within their licensing agreements. And these solutions, if they are not implemented properly, they can become toxic in nature. You cannot get rid of them. You will keep on paying the license fees for that, and you are not utilizing the capabilities of it, and no organization would like to replace it. So one of the case in terms of this kind of rapid growth of these solutions that are becoming toxic in nature today is MDM solutions. Many solutions that are implemented by the MDM vendors have become toxic in nature. How? Because it's only the technology. It doesn't have the right content. It doesn't have the right SOPs. It does not have the right processes. It doesn't have the right methodology, right policies, and so on and so forth. But they have been implemented for the sake of implementing it, and return of investment on that value is almost zero, or sometimes it is negative, because to manage it, to maintain it, you invest a lot into it. So what Pilog is offering today is that Pilog is saying that replace your MDM solution with Pilog solution at a huge discount. We will implement it. We will make sure that we will adhere to those ROI principles of MDM, and we will give you the quantified value out of it. So if you are suffering with any of the data governance solution, you purchase the licenses but never implemented, you keep on paying, or you have implemented it but you have not realized the value of it, reach out to Pilog. Pilog will implement our governance solution, by the way, which is already recognized by Gartner. You can reach out to us. You can learn more about it, or you can look at all the core capabilities or core competencies of a governance solution by logging on to pilotgroup.com or pilotcloud.com. These are the sites. And please reach out to us so that you can actually implement a perfect solution for your organization. Thank you.